Welcome back, my point and click community. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. We make the weirdest videos here. Today is about webcam. Usually I don't use a webcam. If I have to go in a video conference, I use my iPad or my phone. Or if I have to use the computer, then I use this cheap action cam. But the dog ate, well, she didn't eat it. She just chewed that battery cover totally up. It fell down, she grabbed it, she chewed it up. So right now, it's still working, but it's totally useless. I wasn't actually buying a webcam, but just to see what other people would buy, I told my wife, order a webcam. And she said, what kind? And I said, all you get is order a webcam. So she ordered one, and probably a cheap one. I don't know what's in that package right now. So we open it and look what kind of webcam it is. Then we connected to the computer, and I probably never used that as a webcam. But we can use it for all kinds of other stuff, like we can use it as a security cam with the correct software. We will try that later. It just says USB web camera on it. We have CMOS sensor, that's the sensor type. Sensor pixels, 2 million pixels, so 2 megapixel. Highest resolution is 1920 by 1080, so it's 1080p. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Interface USB 2. Let's open that up. And like I said, it's the first time I see that thing. Well, somehow Alexa is complaining back there. And yep, that's all now. Let me see if there's instruction. There's small instruction. So we are not gonna read through that because, like everyone know, I never read instructions. Figure it out by myself. You got a tripod. Oh, it's sticking. And so I think you can clip that on somewhere if you want to. Or you use the tripod. I don't know what this means because it's not wireless. There's actually a wireless symbol on it. Okay, so let's move over to the computer. Let's connect that webcam. USB web camera, that's all it says on the box. And see if Windows finds it. Setting up device. Let's maximize my machine here. Setting up general webcam. Set up and ready to go. That was quick, right? Now let's see. Open the Windows 10 camera application here to see if we get a picture. That's pretty big. Man. Well, yeah. What can you expect as a webcam? Let's look real quick in our settings here. What this camera can do. 3.7 megapixel. Not bad, not bad. 1080p. Can even go up to 14, 40. So we are good with that. The web camera is set up. Like I said, it's a web camera. It's under 20 bucks. When I plugged it in, a red light came on the camera on the right side. When I look at it, that's basically your power light or something. And then that weird little thing, what looks like a wireless connection, a green light on the left side when I look at that camera, came on. And it is, as soon as an application uses it, as soon as I close this application, the light goes out again. So I'm not gonna use that as a webcam. I will use it like a little security cam and capture images as soon somebody walks in. You could do that. I mean, the wire is about, I don't know, 5 feet long. A good thing the manufacturer included a little tripod so we can put it on the desk, on the side, and let it run. I need another software, just another webcam software, and we use a freeware. I downloaded it already, but I'm not going to read any instruction. We just install it. The only thing I saw was when I googled for it, it says it was written in Java. So make sure your Java is up to date to the newest version. And I leave a link in the description in case you need to download Java. You can do it here. And I leave also the link to that freeware here in the description. Like I said, I downloaded it already, so I have it in my downloads folder. I'm just doing an install. Double click on it. And run the install on that thing. I just stay with the default. Just click next, next, next. And they give you a README file to read. You can do that if you want to. Like I said, I never read any instructions. And no device selected. I guess we gotta select the device. Here, settings. Under settings, yes. Let me see what I have on video devices. So I select my general webcam. That's what it's called, general webcam. And it comes right away up. First thing, this is too big. I need this smaller. Actually, I go out of this. Here it says motion detection. That opens a real big picture again. Go down to 10% of the size for now. Yes. Or maybe I select 25%. So we see something. Now I have the settings. There must be more actions. What I want to save, images or video. Let's say I want to save video. I go in my settings. That's the folder where it wants to save it, in a temp folder. Yeah, I don't like that, right? So I'm going here, so you can make a folder on any drive you have here. I go on a network drive. Just create a new folder. I call it Office. And that's where I want to save all that stuff in here. Well, I'm gonna browse for that folder. So like you see, I save it to a network drive. And enable. Now the motion detection is enabled. And I guess I could minimize that. And it's just showing up here. Let's just open this folder so I see right away if... Oh, it looks like it's already detecting a motion when something is in motion here. So I'm gonna walk away from my desk and then come back and start typing and doing stuff, and we see if it creates more files. And then we take a look at the files. So it is working. That motion detection is working. I don't know how it works in low light condition. I don't think it will do real well because it is only a $20 or less than $20 camera. But for what it is, it's not bad. You get a tripod, you get the camera, a little bit of freeware, and you can use it for something else. And I think it's really usable for your next video conference. I'm gonna stop the motion detection now. We're gonna look at one of the video clips. Yes, it seems to, it's a little bit grainy in the picture, but what can you expect from $20? That's it for today. Please hit that like button for that video down there. Hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next week.